Alright, so we're going to make a plate using this form. We really could add that underglaze transfer, like this Rudolph one at the right now, but we're going to skip that step. We're not going to put that in there, but if you want to do a video later with different underglaze transfers, it's a really good way to do it. This here. Drape this over top here. Perfect. And again, this is where we really want to be gentle with kind of pushing this clay down. Especially on this top corner part. Got to be like really gentle. Otherwise we get these overlaps or really uneven edges. And you can try to watch out for this edge here, but don't use a sponge to fix it. Make sure this edge is nice and even. This particular one I'm going to just cut along the edge again, so I'm just going to push it right down to the bottom. This particular one has kind of a little bit of a rounded edge here. I'm going to leave this edge kind of rounded. So I'm just going to cut. Just cut along here. Then I can come back and clean up that edge with a rasp, but pretty much done. You can flip it over here. Push just like here. And then these are these little finger marks you might want to hold on the edges. Lift that out. You can lift it out. If it's not quite compressed, I'd kind of recommend putting it back in. Doing a flip again and just making sure that those edges are nice and compressed. Push them back down again, make sure they're nice. There we go. Now I can take stamp down there. Good time to stamp these little stamps in there. But that's pretty much it to making these trees really quickly.